break their prolonged silence. Ellis mula sa kanto. That's good! Neutralize sila ng depensa ng magkabilas. Ellis flips it up and in. 5 points in the game para dito kay Chris. Thompson on the baseline, jumps it out. Ellis from deep. Bang! The Twin Towers ng Ginebra. Ellis on the move. Goes up strong. He's got a conference high 11 points. And this will force Coach Leo Austria into a timeout. Defense turning into offense para sa Barangay Ginebra. And it is Air Force Ellis leading the charge. Barangay Ginebra San Miguel has opened up an 11-point lead kontra sa San Miguel Beermen, 30-19. At etong depensa nila nagtatranslate sa mga better looks on offense, and it has been this guy who is trying to redeem himself mula nung mabully siya online in that game against Tropang TNT. Air Force Ellis with a personal conference best 11-point performance, big kasama pang 5 rebound.